Hi everyone, welcome to My Diaries 28. This is Dr. Neeti. I hope you guys are doing fine. So I wanted to start this video on a positive note, but sadly I've got the news today that Irfan Khan, which is one of the greatest actors, a great human being, he passed away this morning, which was like really sad. So I don't know what this 2020 will bring. I don't know what this 2020 will be about. But as they say, life goes on, show must go on. So I'm continuing with the video which was planned for today, which is all about the questions you have asked me. So I did a Q&A yesterday on Instagram and I've asked you a few questions. I've told you to ask me a few questions. So you've asked me a few questions and you've asked me a lot of questions, a lot of interesting questions. So if you want to know what my answers are, then you have to keep on watching. First of all, I would like to thank all of you to have sent me so much questions and so much love. So I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart that you've asked me some questions and now I'll be answering those. But before moving on, are you guys following me on the Facebook page, Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter? I'm highly active on Facebook and Instagram page. You can follow me over there. And I'm also on Twitter and Snapchat and I'm by the same name, My Diaries 28. So you just have to type in My Diaries 28. You can follow me over there. And on Facebook page and Instagram page, I'm highly active. So we can have like interactive sessions over there. So anyways, now moving on to the questions. I've noted it down all here in my diary because there were like loads and loads of questions and some were like quite repetitive. So I've jotted down all the questions that were to be answered. So let's start with the first one. So first one was by sorry if I butcher your name because some names I am not able to pronounce, but anyways. So first is by Sassy Sanya and she asked me, how are you so fair? So I think it's all about the genetics because it's all, your skin color depends on your genes. So, in my family, my ancestors, everybody around me, they all are very fair. So that is why I'm fair. So I think that answers your question. And adding on to this fact that many people on my Insta, many girls on Insta ask me, DM me about the fairness creams to use and how to, improve your skin color and any fairness cream that I use. So I would like to clear this fact that no matter how much amount of fairness creams or lotions you apply on your skin, your color cannot be changed because, it is gifted to you by God. So it cannot be altered. It is all because of the genetics. You can always definitely improve your complexion via different creams, moisturizers you can apply, but you cannot change your skin color. So Sassy Sanya, I hope you got your answer and thanks a lot. You have been quite regular in liking my post on Instagram. So thank you so much for the love. Now moving on to the next two people. They've asked the same question. And sorry if I butcher your name because I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know. So the next question is by Larissa Slim _3808 and Iracle _2578. They both asked me the same question. Do you like travel photos? So more than liking travel photos, I like traveling. So there are many vlogs on my channel. You can see I love traveling. Since we all are in lockdown now, we all are missing traveling, but otherwise also I've always loved traveling. So more than clicking pictures while I travel, I rather believe in living in the moment. So wherever I travel, I do not click that many pictures because I believe in living the whole getting the whole experience of that place, the essence of that place. But yes, I do follow many travel vloggers since I love to see new places. So I love travel photographs, but I love traveling a bit more. Now moving on to the next question, which is by Juhita Gupta. She sent me the love, so I'm sending you the love back. So she has sent me the love emoji. Now moving on to the next question, which is by Hodophile Grishma. She asked me, what will you do after lockdown? So I'll be meeting all my friends after lockdown. So there's so many people in my life I want to meet now because maybe because of some I got busy, because they got busy, so we lost in touch. So I want to meet all my friends because I'm missing all of them. So first thing I will do after lockdown is I'll go out and I'll meet everybody, everybody I've missed talking to, and everybody I've lost in touch with during my work and things like that. So I would love to meet all of my friends, especially those who I am not in touch with. Now moving on to the next question, which is by Rosetta Bruno _3322. She asked me, do you like lifestyle vlogs? So yes, I love lifestyle vlogs more than blogs because vlogs means videos. Follow so many YouTubers and I love watching what they do in their life, day to day basis, what they do and how their lifestyle is. So yes, I love lifestyle vlogs more than blogs. So next question is by Why So Extra Affy. She said hi to me, so hi. The next question is by SOS of Makeup. She said great pictures, so thanks a lot for the compliment. Now the next question is by Kanika. She asked me that how to remain positive in this lockdown. So I've already done a video how to remove stress and say bye to stress in lockdown. You can watch that. I basically follow all those procedures to remain positive, so you can also remain positive. So there were many questions that were repetitive, so I am just answering those which are like quite hatke, quite different. So the next question is by Karishma Batra. She asked me two questions. The first question she asked me, what are your views about marriage? So to be really honest, I never wanted to get married, and I just love my independence. And there have been a lot of times, like I'll not lie to you, since 2011 till 2020, before lockdown, I've got so many opportunities to get married, but I always denied because I never wanted to get married. I'm not married because of me, not because of anybody else. Of course, everybody, your parents, your family, everybody wants you to get married, and your friends also. But the reason behind I am not married till now is because of me, because I never wanted to get married, because I love my independence, I love my lifestyle, I love everything. But after COVID-19, my views are like completely, they've turned around. After COVID-19, it made me realize few things, that you're not here forever, and of course you need a partner, so you need somebody to live your life with, and you need a family in the future. So definitely now I would like to get married. Now moving on to the next question. So moving on to the last question that also Karishma Batra asked me, that have you met any YouTubers so far? So I've got the opportunity to meet the YouTubers twice, and I've grabbed one and I've missed one. So I'll talk about the missed one first. So I've got a chance to meet a YouTuber, famous YouTuber, everybody knows her, Shreya Jain. So Shreya Jain was conducting meetup that time in 2014 or 15, I do not exactly remember the year, along with My Happinesses, which is also a famous YouTuber. Her real name is Komal. So she and Komal, I believe that now they are not like friends anymore, but there are no confirmed reports about that. But at that time they were together, they were conducting a meetup in Delhi only. So I've got the mail from them that my name was confirmed and I can get to meet them. So they were doing their first meetup together, and at that time I was doing my post graduation, so I got really busy with the studying stuff and all, so I couldn't get the chance to meet them. So I replied them via mail. I've got the mail that you are invited for the meetup, and I've got the mail from them that I have to confirm whether I can go or not, since the seats were limited. So I replied back to them via mail only that I can't come because of my examination, my studying during that time. So ultimately I never went to that meetup, and it went away like that. Now talking about the YouTuber I got to meet. So this time I got to meet Delhi Fashion Blogger, which is again another famous YouTuber. I will insert a picture with her over here. So in 2014-15, I exactly do not remember. I will insert the year also. So I got to meet her. I went with my friend. She conducted a meetup in Body Shop in Select City Mall, Saket. So I went over to meet her, and she was like really nice, and there was whole meetup, and she made a video also over there of all of us, with all of us, and it was like great meeting her. And I met so many people over there, and we also got the makeover as well. They've applied few makeup, and we've got transformed. We just went from our college straight, and in post graduation we were like, you will not imagine what we used to look like. We never used to do any makeup, so we just went blank over there and we got transformed, like they put on some makeup and all. So I went with my friend, and it was like a good experience. And we've got like few hampers also, like I still remember I've got one ginger shampoo from Body Shop as a gift. So it was like a fun experience. I was meeting first time, and I was like completely awestruck, because it is like you're meeting a film star. When you are watching somebody on video and you never met them personally, and when you meet them, it is like an altogether different experience. And I was quite surprised. So meeting her was like a good experience, but you know, it's strange that how we assume things, that people will look a certain way just by looking at their videos. For example, I never knew she's not that tall, although I am already tall, but I was assuming it like she's an average height person, but she's not that tall, but she's cute, chirpy, and I like her videos a lot. And she's like the first Indian YouTuber I've started following ever. So she's like really nice. Go check her out. She's by the name of Delhi Fashion Blogger, and you know, meeting her was like a good experience. But someday, if I'll conduct a meetup someday in the near future, so you'll also be shocked to see that I'm that much tall, because in videos you can't assume. But you know, this generation of like upcoming, you know, these children, they all are like upcoming generation. They all are so tall. So I imagine I used to be like the tallest girl in my class from primary to secondary to even college, and I am around 5'8", 5'9". So these days I see so many girls and so many children, they are growing so tall. I don't know what is with it is like with the evolution, or I don't know. Guys, that is my short and sweet Q&A, and majority of questions were about the marriage and about how to beat stress, and I'm sure I've answered those. So until then, you know, stay happy, stay positive in this lockdown, and I'll be coming with the new interesting videos, I promise. So the next video is going to be really interesting, and so stay tuned to My Diaries 20, and do not forget to like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me, and do follow me on the other social websites as well. So I will catch up with you next time. Bye bye.